Alright, today we have apparently a dirty ass workbench, but I'll clean this off here in a minute. These are some towel racks for the house that the landlord wanted modified, so I'll take a video of me doing that real fast. Should be a short, simple little video. Alright, so a quick little project. Well, hopefully. Seems like everything I do takes 10 hours. Anyways, these are some towel holders that are used to hold towels, and they stick out really far. So the landlord has asked us if we will cut them here and remount them so they don't stick out so far. Because our bathroom that these go in is kind of small. I think it's like a 5x10 bathroom type deal, so they stick a fair bit out in the alley, and a couple of them have already been ran into and bent pretty good. So you measure them up, mark them up, chop them up, get this motherfucker off my bench. Alright guys, there she is. I'm gonna try to splash some paint on her. Throw her back up in the restroom. Cut quite a bit off of them. And about 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches lower than they were. So hopefully people will stop running into them. We'll see. Not the exact color. Quick little ornamental project. Not a big fan of doing ornamental stuff because there's no really square. It's just putting shit on top of shit on top of shit and ends up with a bunch of BBs. I don't know, just not my cup of tea, I guess. I like my shit to at least be straight. But anyways, go take these back to them and hopefully they like them. Thanks for watching. Stay greasy.